date is the 14th of October 2020. Here's Asutoi Multisillankatu 3 staircase. Was it B?
Yeah.
And no, I think once again. Okay, today is the 14th of October 2020. Here's Asutoi Multisillankatu 3 staircase B. And this residential building has 7 staircases. We're filming the staircase B at the moment. We still need to film the staircase C and D. This one was built by Kone in early 1971. It contains 6 pictures. Turning 50 years old in next year, 2021, when it will be inspected again. And the serial number is H25340. And the capacity is 4 persons, 14 and 20 rooms. And no 5 floors here.
Inspected by Kiva inspected, maintained by us, so now describe this.
Yeah. Amazing, all 7 are still original.
Yeah.
Nice, I guess I see it. Washing, that's it.
That's